The idle air control valve, or IAC valve, is a crucial component that manages your engine's idle speed. It regulates the amount of air that bypasses the throttle plate when your engine is idling. Air flows through the valve, and the IAC controls this flow to maintain a steady idle speed, typically between 650 and 750 RPM, even when loads like air conditioning or power steering are engaged. The valve works by opening and closing to adjust airflow. When more air is needed, the valve opens wider. When less air is needed, it closes more. When the IAC valve fails, 5 primary symptoms typically appear. Let's examine each of these warning signs. First, rough or erratic idle. Instead of a steady RPM, you'll notice the engine speed fluctuating unpredictably, typically varying between 500 and 1200 RPM when it should hold steady around 700. Second, engine stalling. The engine may die unexpectedly, especially when coming to a stop at traffic lights or when shifting into gear. This creates a serious safety concern. Third, abnormally high or low idle speed. The engine may idle above 1000 RPM when it should be around 700, or it may idle too low, below 500 RPM, often leading to stalling. Fourth, difficulty starting, especially during cold weather. You may experience extended cranking time or complete failure to start, as the IAC cannot provide the additional air needed for cold start enrichment. Finally, the check engine light may activate. Common diagnostic codes include P0505, P0506, P0507, and P0508. These codes indicate that the engine control module has detected idle speed problems. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial for preventing more serious engine problems. The IAC valve affects vehicles primarily from the 1980s to mid-2010s. So if you drive an older vehicle and notice these signs, it's time to have your IAC valve inspected. Modern diagnostic techniques have revolutionized how we identify IAC valve problems. Enhanced OBD2 scanning tools now provide real-time data that helps pinpoint issues with precision. When an IAC valve problem is identified, you have 2 main options: cleaning or replacement. Cleaning resolves carbon-related issues in 60 to 70% of cases, making it the first recommended approach. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance can significantly extend your IAC valve's lifespan and prevent costly problems from developing. Watch for early warning signs that can help you catch IAC valve problems before they become serious. Addressing these symptoms promptly ensures vehicle safety and prevents more costly repairs. The automotive industry is evolving rapidly. Electronic throttle bodies are replacing traditional IAC valves in vehicles manufactured after 2015, making this knowledge most relevant for older vehicles still on the road.